What up, Crusader gang? We got this 32 we're about to mount up. What 32 do you guys think it is? Let's check it out. It is Forgiato. We got the rose gold. The customer, these are used. He just painted the face rose gold. It is a 32 by 10. And we're mounting up a 305 25 32. They only have one tire that they make in 32, and that's the size. All right. We did one, but we ran out of memory off my phone, so I had to delete some stuff. So this was the first one we did. This one was mounted up. Took a little while. I did do it by myself. I want to see how I did with the second one, how I mounted up, how huge this thing is. Okay. So I'm gonna put the phone down over here. Let me see if I can have it stand with something up here. Okay, I think that's pretty good. All right. So first we're gonna do is make sure our pins are lined up with the 5-leg. So this is an adapter, so it adjusts to every single wheel. We adjust it so it fits perfectly on the 32. We're going to pop out the cap here. We're going to pick this bad boy up. 32s aren't lucky. Especially this one, it's full face. Look at how full face the whole thing in the back. There's really nothing to grab by besides the edge. And 1, 2, 3, up. Heavy boy. So we got this contraption here that actually holds down the wheel, so it holds it in place. We're going to clamp it down here. And the next thing we're going to do is give them a new valve stem. These are going on a box, but I think we had it painted to a different color. So stay tuned for the pictures and the video of this one. That's a little tricky how we're kind of on an angle. For those who've been watching CJ's video, this machine does do up to 32s, but you see how close it is to the edge here. So it's a little harder. Veil stem, so we can make it in the basket. Ooh! Off the backboard in there. Right, let's get the veil stem. For the Black Friday special that I posted, well, it's going to be yesterday. I did talk to my suppliers, and I did have a couple of sales, so they're extending the sales till next week. Not all of them, but some of them. So if you're still looking for wheels, give me a call next week and we'll get you done. All right. We got the valve stem in. The next thing we're going to do is clean off the edges. There's a little bit of corrosion to make sure the bead sealer is good on there. make sure it's perfect, because the bead would sit on there and then it would leak. So now we're going to put the bead sealer on there. This bead sealer is one of the best. It's actually not the right bead sealer. I might get some different stuff. I've been using it for years, and it's flammable and it's real good. There's some other cheap stuff that I tried around here, but it's not the best. The bead sealer does protect from leaks or corrosion. So like this had corrosion on there, so it isn't going to leak from the tire. In the comment section, and see if anybody ever seen anybody mount and balance 32 in the comment section. All right. Before, it used to take me a couple people to mount these up, but now I kind of figured out the strategy. But it doesn't always go as planned. Another one, it took me a while to pop the bead on the tire so the air would fill all the way around. Hopefully this one goes a little smoother. All right, we're going to lube up the wheel. Drivers, so we're going to do passengers. So the passenger is this side going out. So there is a driver's and a passenger. So I always look at the lift, and then I look to see how the tire sits, and so this will be passenger going out. So we're going to mount this up here. All right. There we go. It's tight everywhere because it is a 32. That's the easy part. Sometimes setting up the machine is the trickier part on there. Hopefully I get it to the same settings as before. Right, we got that down, and these do have a lot of arms here. These are all to guide the tire for the position. This actually breaks the bead, as you can see, and then there's one on the bottom. It breaks the bead or guides the bead to the tire. All right, we're going to do it from the top and bottom. On these 32s, we do on the bottom because this tire is so wide that sometimes it falls through on the bottom. Right. Different bars and arms, and they all have to kind of coincide together to make this tire go on. So now we don't need the bottom in there. Now we're going to just try to pop this. This is sometimes the hardest part. We have to go back and forth. Sometimes I even need to use a hammer. be. Indeed. Sometimes you see the tire fold in a lot, and that makes the tire more smoother to go around. Guide the tire because you see how still it's going up and down. Pressure. Again. Pressure. Different way here. Oh, just trying to guide it without it. Start over. Stuff flying there. But I am all right here. One sec. So I don't think you can see too much inside here, but I almost had it on. I just got to readjust the machine. I don't think you guys could see too far, but this is the end product here. And then a lot of people, if you guys want to see how to balance a big 32, we'll put it on the balancer and check it all out. What do you guys think of the rose gold on there? Pops, huh? And the LED lights. All right, so we're going to take off the cap here. Wait for the machine to warm up. Yeah, CJ actually had 34s back in the day on the Becky. You guys remember those? Man, those things were something else to put on. The rims onto the car. I remember those things were so heavy. All right, so we got the machine going. Let me see if I can kind of get an angle here. Alright, well, let's put this big bad boy on there. This thing probably weighs about 200 pounds. First we got to find the cone to match up the right cone. Right there. Oh my God. These things aren't light. I think it probably weighs about 200 pounds. 32s are real hard to balance. I try to do a true balance, even on these 32s in outer and inner, but there's barely any room on this wheel. So we'll spin it and check it out to see. How it goes. Balancing out. And we have CCC, so that means it's more than 10 ounces. So we're gonna have to put a lot of weights. We'll try it on the one side. We'll put 6 ounces and see what happens here.